Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable VC, means voice chat on Roblox. So I'll show you how can you do that. Just go to three dots over here and I just need to go to in privacy. In the privacy, you just need to be in the section microphone and camera input. So basically, to if you want to enable voice chat, you just need to enable this microphone from here by tapping on or clicking on this toggle screen token button. So basically, if you are on mobile or a PC, you just need to enable the microphone to enable voice chat. So once you enable it from here, just tap on it to enable and disable. So make sure it is green. So green shows that it is enabled. And once you enable it, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication to enable voice chat in game. So guys, once you're in the game, to enable voice chat, you just need to tap or click on this mic over Avtar's head. As you can see, you see this mic over Avtar's head. Just tap on it to enable voice chat, and that's how you can enable it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.